Hello, students. Welcome to this lesson on geometry. Today, we are going to explore the concept of the interior and exterior of angles. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the different regions created by an angle on a flat surface. Before we dive into the regions, let's quickly review the parts of an angle. An angle is formed by two rays that share a common endpoint. This common endpoint is called the vertex, often labeled with a letter like O. The rays themselves are called the arms or sides of the angle. When you draw an angle on a piece of paper, which we call a plane in geometry, it actually divides that paper into three distinct parts. These are the interior region, the exterior region, and the boundary, which is the angle itself. Let's start with the interior. The interior of an angle is the region that lies strictly inside the two arms. Imagine if the arms were walls, the interior is the space trapped between them. In the diagram, the green shaded area represents this interior region. We can identify specific points located in this region. Look at the diagram. Points P and Q are clearly situated between the arms of angle ABC. Therefore, we say that points P and Q are in the interior of the angle. Now, let's look at the exterior. The exterior of an angle is everything else on the plane that is not inside the arms and not on the lines themselves. It is the vast space outside the angle. In this visual, the red area represents the exterior. Just like with the interior, we can have points in the exterior. Here, points X and Y are outside the arms of angle LM, and point X is behind the vertex, and point Y is below the bottom arm. Both are in the exterior region. Finally, there is the boundary. These are the points that lie exactly on the arms or the vertex. Points A, B, and the vertex O shown here are not inside or outside, they are on the angle. Let's practice what we have learned. Look at this diagram with 3 points, R, S, and T. Point R is in the green area, so it is in the interior. Point S is in the white area, so it is in the exterior. And point T lies exactly on the line, so it is on the angle. To summarize today's lesson, the interior is the space between the arms. The boundary consists of the arms and vertex themselves, and the exterior is everything outside the arms. I hope this helps you visualize angle regions better. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.